Also, I'd like to mention our raffle tickets, guys. We have great prizes back here.
All right, Chris, make it happen, man.
Buy a ticket. And fighting out of the blue corner, from Bowling Kramer Fight Academy in Santa Ana, California, Kristen.
All right, Chris, do what you got to do, man.
Watch for the big right hand. I want you circling right. Pop that jab in his face.
Ready? Do it.
Try to stay over here, Buck. Stay here, Chris. There you go. There we go. Hands up. Push kick. Push kick. Nice. Good job, Chris. Good. Hands up. Hands up. Nice. Hands up. Time up. Knee. Breathe. Throw that dirt. Do some of that dirty boxing we worked on. Dirty boxing. Jab, leg kick. Bang, leg kick. Keep your right hand up. Jab, leg kick. Jab, leg kick. Bang. Almost there. Put it right on that full throttle sign, right there. Put it right on that logo.
Let's go, buddy. Right here. Let's go. 1, 2, let's go. Set it up.
Double jab.
Got your inside leg.
Hey, push kick, Chris. There you go. Hands up. 1, 2, Chris. 1, 2, right down the middle. 1, 2. Big hard right. Big hard right. Big hard right, Chris. 1, 2. Like a freight train. Bang. Hands up. Hands up. Just grab them.
Huh? Yeah, I know.
Don't, you know.
No, I just couldn't see.
Well, you gotta. You can't see because he punched you in the face.
You got a little rag?
Yeah, man.
Little tiny.
Hey, Chris, stay on him, remember? Keep the pressure on him,
Hey,
dude. It's all good.
Pressure on him, brother.
It's all good, Chris.
It's war paint. War paint.
Yeah, there you go.
You don't have hand wraps, dude?
I got purple power.
Huh? Put your hand wrap on that one.
This one? I got purple power.
You got another eye?
Yeah.
Okay, use that one. All right, let's go. Come on, Chris. Hey, be aggressive. Be aggressive.
He's got a little something with his eye.
Let me look. Let me take a look.
Dr. Brian into the cage.
Spider got poked in the eye. We're going to get it checked out real quick, make sure he's okay.
She's coming in.
He's a little round.
One.
My finger.
You're good. He's an unusual fighter. He can count to 5.
Sticks, right? Because he hit the side of your nose and that's why. But if you can see your 2 fingers, that's all right. Once he sees your 2 fingers,
All right, Chris, keep the pressure on him, dude. What's up, dude?
All right, he's good to go. Let's give it up for these 2 guys. Here we go.
Hands up, Chris. Hands up, Chris. Pop that double jab in his face or 1-2 in his face. Look for the leg kicks, all right? Hands are back to your face, please. Hard punch, Chris. Nice. Chin down. There you go. Breathe. Breathe out while you're punching. Boom. Hands up. Don't. Hit that. Knee, Chris. Knee, Chris. Knee. Knee. Knee hard. Knee hard. Curve knees. Curve knees. Curve. Curve. Curve that knee. Knee him, Chris. Knee him hard. Boom. Bang. Curve that knee. Curve that knee. Keep knee in his legs. Keep knee in his legs, Chris. Keep knee in his legs. Good. Kick his legs. Kick his legs.
Go for the body.
Put him against the fence.
Let go. Let go. Go for the body.
Breathe, Chris. Breathe. Body shot. Good. Good, Chris. Good. Come on, man.
Come on, Chris. Put it on him, dude. Be aggressive, Chris.
Okay. Cover that. Cover your hand. Overhand right, Chris. Overhand right. Chin down. You can't see right now because I got this on the right. You can't see. What about that?
It's like, wait, I can't see past it. I want to go, but I can't see past it.
The head gear on him, he's going to continue.
I think that's yeah, he can.
So let's give it up for these two guys. They fought really hard. I'd like to thank Savannah, our nurse, for coming in here tonight and taking care of these fighters. Thank you so much for coming, helping us out.